If you're trying to make money with Claude AI in 2026, I'm gonna save you a lot of time. Because right now, you're probably seeing people talk about selling prompts, building AI agents, starting AI automation agencies, creating AI apps, freelancing with AI, and 100 other business models. And look, these things can absolutely work. I'm not saying they don't, but there's one method that almost nobody talks about. Not because it doesn't work, because it's almost too simple. It looks too good to be true. But once you understand it, you'll realize you don't need to learn how to code, you don't need venture capital, and you don't need to spend the next 2 years building some complex AI system or automation. You can use Claude AI to create an asset once and sell it again and again and again at no extra cost. I'm talking about digital products, more specifically online courses. And before you click away because you think I'm about to tell you to become some fake guru on the internet, just hear me out for a second. Because the reason most people fail with AI isn't because the technology is not powerful enough. It's because they're trying to use AI to sell their time instead of using AI to build assets and selling those assets. And that mistake is costing people an insane amount of money. I mean, your whole life you've been conditioned to sell your time for money. And people make that same mistake in business. My name's Fred. I've been selling online courses for years, and it's by far the best business model I've found because the margins are incredible and the AI removes a huge amount of the work. I've generated over $5,000 in cash collected in just 48 hours. Not revenue. Revenue was $7,000, but 5K was the actual cash collected in 48 hours. And it barely took me any work. And the reason I'm telling you this is because after testing a lot of different ways to make money online, I genuinely believe AI is making digital products easier to create and sell than at any point in history. By the way, if you want to get my free AI money course, the link for that is in the description below this video. You can also apply to book a free call, and I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can start making money with AI and digital products. Spots are limited. The biggest lie people believe right now is that AI itself is the business. It's not. Claude is a tool. That's all it is. Just like a hammer is a tool. Nobody gets rich because they own a hammer, right? They get rich because of what they build with the hammer. That's the difference. And yet, I see people spending months obsessing over the perfect AI workflow, the perfect AI automation, all the latest new AI updates, the perfect AI agent, the perfect AI stack. They're obsessed with the tool. It's like trying to find the best possible hammer. Meanwhile, somebody else spends 2 weeks creating a digital product that solves a real problem, they start monetizing it, they start putting it out there, and they start making money. Who wins? The person who sells the solution. Every single time. Because people don't wake up one day wanting AI. They wake up wanting results. They want to lose weight. They want to get a better job. They want to learn a skill. They want to start a business. They want more freedom. They want to know how to be a better parent. They want more money. The AI itself is irrelevant. The outcome that people want is what matters. We simply use AI to help them to get what they want. That's why digital products are so powerful. You're not selling information. You're selling a transformation. You're helping someone get from where they are today to where they want to be tomorrow. Now, here's where Claude becomes incredibly powerful. Let's say you want to create an online course. 10 years ago, you had to be an expert, or you would have to spend months researching, then months organizing the information, months writing the lessons yourself, then months creating the worksheets, exercises, examples, and supporting material. Today, Claude can help you do all of that dramatically faster. You can ask it to research any topic. You can ask it to create a complete curriculum. You can ask it to simplify complicated concepts. You can ask it to generate exercises and examples. You can ask it to improve explanations. You can use it to identify gaps in your course and fix them. It's basically like having this all-knowing, super intelligent assistant working beside you all day long. And here's what makes this business model so different from most ways of making money online. Once the course is built, you're no longer trading hours for money. Think about a freelancer or someone doing AI automation services. Every time they want to make more money, they have to work more. If they stop working, the money stops coming in. If they get sick, the money stops. If they take a vacation, the money stops. So even if they do take the vacation, they're stressed all the time. But a digital product like a course is an asset. You create it once and you can sell it to hundreds, even thousands of people. That's why I love this model so much, and it's fun. You're building something that will continue to produce income long after the initial work is done. And if you want my opinion, that's called being smart. And this is usually where people stop themselves. They say, well, that sounds great, Fred, but I don't have anything to teach. They say they're not experts. They say they don't have credentials. They don't have experience. They don't know enough. But here's the reality. That excuse becomes weaker every single month because of AI. Now, obviously, let's be reasonable. You shouldn't pretend to be a doctor if you're not a doctor. You shouldn't be giving legal advice if you're not qualified. You shouldn't teach things where people could get seriously harmed if the information is wrong. But outside of those obvious exceptions, there are thousands and thousands of topics where the information already exists publicly. Claude can help you gather it, organize it, simplify it, and structure it into a step-by-step learning experience. Think about how many successful courses exist around productivity, language learning, software tutorials, how to get in shape, photography, video editing, even playing video games. I know a guy who makes over 20 grand per month teaching people how to get better at a game. There's courses on gardening, marketing, AI tools, and countless other subjects. The information technically already exists. No one is inventing anything new. The challenge isn't finding information anymore. The challenge is organizing information into a clear path people can actually follow. That is what people pay for. They don't pay because you are the smartest person in the world or because you've got 10 PhDs. No one cares about that. They pay because you've made something easier to understand. That's why people watch content, especially educational content. And you don't necessarily need to be the expert who invented the knowledge. You need to be the person who packages the knowledge in a way that's useful. And thanks to AI, that's never been easier. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's another thing almost nobody talks about. People think they need to become influencers. They think they need perfect lighting, a perfect camera that records in 4K, perfect confidence, and a perfect personality before they can start. That is simply not true. Personally, I think building a personal brand is incredibly powerful because trust is easier to build when people know who you are, when they can see your face. But it's no longer the only option. If you don't want to show your face, AI gives you tons of alternatives. You can use AI avatars. You can use AI voices. Nowadays, they're really good. It wasn't the case a few years ago. You can create educational content without ever appearing on camera. And oftentimes, the AI beats humans in terms of how many views they get. It's insane. And before somebody says, oh, that's impossible, just look around on social media. There are channels generating millions of views using AI narration and AI-generated visuals. You think they're making no money? Come on. The important thing isn't whether your face is on the screen. People don't care. The important thing is whether you're helping people to solve problems or give them valuable information. Nobody cares if the lesson comes from an AI avatar or an actual person. They care whether the lesson helps them to get a result they want. Claude can help you create the content behind that avatar. You can also use ChatGPT for that, which means the barrier to entry has never been lower than it is right now. A lot of people think AI is going to eliminate opportunities. I actually think it's creating one of the biggest opportunities we've seen in years, because information itself is becoming cheaper. And when information becomes cheaper, organization becomes more valuable. Think about it. We've had Google for decades. We've had books for centuries. We've had YouTube for years. Information has never been scarce. At least, it's been a while since it hasn't been scarce. Yet, people still buy courses and coaching every single day. Why? Because they don't want 10,000 pieces of random information all over the place. They want a roadmap. They want somebody to tell them exactly where to start, what to do next, what mistakes to avoid, and how to reach the outcome they want quicker. That's valuable. And now, AI is creating more information than ever before, which means people are becoming more overwhelmed than ever before, which means structured education becomes more valuable, not less valuable. The person who wins in 2026 won't be the smartest person. It will be the person who can take complexity and make it simple. And Claude AI is one of the best tools ever created for doing exactly that. So if you're looking for the best way to make money with Claude AI in 2026, stop obsessing over shiny objects. Stop chasing every new AI trend that appears in your feed. Stop looking for some magical shortcut. Use Claude to help you create assets. Use Claude to help you organize knowledge. Use it to help you build educational products that solve real problems. And remember this, the goal is not to sell AI itself. The goal is to solve problems for people. That's what customers pay for. Whether you choose to build a personal brand or use an AI avatar doesn't really matter. The opportunity is exactly the same. Find the problem, create a solution, package the knowledge, sell the transformation. That's how real businesses are built. And that's why I believe digital products and online courses remain one of the biggest opportunities in the AI era. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.